Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Raila Firdausi, Assistant Teacher, Day Shift. Today I am going to have a class with the students of class 2. Our today's subject is English language. Today we will discuss lesson 5. Today we will do revision work. And our today's lecture number is 19. Here is my phone number. Okay, my dear students, now see. First, I will discuss the marks distribution of your upcoming practice-based half-yearly examination. See the marks distribution here in number 1 to 7. For number 1 to 7, there will be number 1 to 7. There will be grammar items. There 7 items will be given in for your half-yearly examination, and these 7 items will carry 50 marks. Then in number 8, there will be translation. There you will have 7 translation, and each translation will carry 2 marks. So you have to be so careful in your spellings and other things. Then number 9 is dialogue. In dialogue there will be no option, and it will carry 10 marks. Then number 10, paragraph. The paragraph, in paragraph there will be also no option, and it will also carry 10 marks. Then number 11, rearrange. In rearrange there will be 7 rearrange will be given, and each rearrange will carry 2 marks, so it will be 14 marks. And in number 12 there will be neatness and cleanliness. That means how is your whole copy, how nice your copy is looking, or if you do too much kata-kati, that is not good. Okay, so your copy must be neat and clean. It will carry 2 marks. In total there will be 100 marks, and you will get 2 hours. You will get 2 hours for completing full 100 marks exam. You will prepare the copy at your home. You will ask your parents to prepare the copy for you. If you want, it will be better if you follow these types of roll page. That means the page will be rolled. That will be very fine. Your handwriting will be nice at that time. If you are able to have these pages, you will have these pages. You will make your copy with these pages. Okay. Okay. Now come to our today's lesson. Today we will revise lesson 5 from your Enjoying Grammar book, and I have chosen from here 2 exercises for practicing now. Okay. Now see, number 1, complete these sentences with A or N. I am Rakesh Kumar. I am in class 2. I live in dash flat with my parents. My father is dash engineer. He works in dash factory. My mother is dash architect. She works in dash office. I have an younger brother and dash younger and dash elder sister. Okay, so what we have to do, you have to fill up this with A or N. That means with the articles. We have to write A or N. And do you remember that when we will use A and when we will use N? Yes, you are correct. That when the word will start with the vowel letters, that is A, E, I, O, U, at that time we will use N. And when the word will use with the consonant letters, at that time we will use A. Okay, now we will see the answer. Number 8 is said, I live in dash flat. So this flat, it starts with F, that is a consonant. So we will write here A. Its number will be A. I live in a flat with my parents. Then my father is dash engineer. Engineer, the word engineer starts with the vowel E. So we will write here the article N because it's a vowel. So the answer B will N. My dear students, you must write the answer like this way. You must mention the question number like this way, answer to the question number 1. Then you will write the sub numbers. If you do mistake in writing sub numbers, your marks will be cut. And another important thing, no need to pick up any question. You will write just the answer like this way. Okay. Now see, he works in factory. So factory, this is also starts with F, the consonant. So what will we do here? We will write here A. He works in a factory. Then my mother is dash architect. is dash architect. So architect, this is starts with vowel letter A. So there we have to write an. My mother is an architect. Then she works in dash office. She works in office, starts with O. This is also a vowel. So there will be an. She works in an office. Okay. Now I have dash younger brother and dash elder sister. So I have Y. It starts with Y. So there will be A. I have a younger brother and an elder sister. And because this starts with vowel letter E. Okay. So see the answer in a short, that A, number A, B, number N, C, A, D, N, E, N, F, A, G, N. Okay. Now come number 2. Complete these sentences with A, N or the. Again here we have to use A and you have to also use the. So when will we use the? The things which is unique in this world, which is unchangeable, before that words we will use the. Moreover, the definite words which we come to know before a minute or before sometimes, with that word we will use the. Like see here, number A, I gave dash banana to dash monkey that belonged to my neighbor. So I gave a banana to a monkey that belonged to my neighbor. See the answer, A. Then number B, I have dash apple and dash orange in my bag. Here I have an apple because it starts with vowel A. I have an apple and an orange in my bag. Number C, Satish is dash obedient boy. Is an obedient boy. Is an obedient boy. Number D, Tom wrote dash letter to his friend. Tom wrote a letter to his friend. Now number E, dash rose smells sweets. Here is a rose. A rose smells sweet. Number F, I have dash teddy bear. I have a teddy bear. Then teddy bear is very soft. Which teddy bear? Already which we have mentioned. So there will be the. The teddy bear is very soft. See the answer here. Number F, A and the. And as it is a new sentence, that's why I have used here capital T. Okay, number D, dash boy who ate dash strange fruit complained that it was bitter. Okay, so dash boy, any boy here ate the strange fruit and he complained that it was bitter. So the boy has done here two words, that's why we have to use here the. The boy who ate a strange fruit complained that it was bitter. So the answer is the and A. The and A. Then number H, Maya saw dash eagle in dash case. So Maya saw an eagle in a case. In a case, because case starts with consonant C. Then again Maya, we are talking about that eagle which Maya saw. So we will say here what? We will say the eagle. The eagle escaped from the case. We have already mentioned the eagle and case. That's why again we will use here the and the. The eagle escaped from the case. So what will be the answer here? The answer is an, a, the, and there will be another the. Okay, so see again, Maya saw an eagle in a case. The eagle escaped from the case. Okay. Okay, my dear students, this is all for today. I hope that you are taking very good preparation for your upcoming examination. Stay well, stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.